Hi everybody, it's Eric Knutson here at Knuts and Bolts again, and I wanted to share with you our latest purchase. It is a bulk case. This will be our first bulk case, and we ordered it because we have several hard drives in there that we're planning on recovering and reselling. Okay, so as you can tell, it is our very first bulk case. We ordered it on June 5th. And it came in today, which I believe is June 11th. It came in a day ago, but this is the first time we got a chance to open it up. This case cost $435.69 all in, and that does include their 3% processing fee as well as the $30 shipping because it is a case, which is $12.69. I'm actually kind of curious on that processing fee. I wonder if that's what BULQ's overhead is, and the rest is, you know, what they get charged. This case is primarily bath and bedding, with hard drives and storage being the secondary category. We're hoping to get a lot of money out of the airbrushes and possibly the hard drives as well in this case. This case has a total of 33 items. That being said and done, we're not going to double team this. It's only a case, but I'm going to go ahead and open it up and let's see what we've got. Okay, here we are, almost there. Need a little bit more love, and there we go. Very first item, we've got Kelly curtains. This is a jacquarded panel with attached valance, taffeta backing, and ball tassel tieback. Wow, that is a mouthful. So, go ahead and open it up. Tell you guys, it's such a fancy curtain, I don't even know what I'm looking for. Oh, that seems to be there. I'm guessing. Yeah, but this isn't supposed to be attached. This is for the tie back. Oh, I see. So you do this and then somehow you pull them up. Interesting. Nevertheless, I don't see anything obviously wrong with it, so there's that. So that's definitely interesting. Next, we've got a complete Waterpik solution, oscillating 5.5. So I've got a Waterpik. I once had a dentist tell me, don't worry about flossing. Just use your Waterpik. Don't do that. Just for the record. Figure it out. There's toothbrush. Doesn't even appear to have been used. All the stuff seems to be in the packaging still. I see no issues. I took this package off of it. I think this is new, or new-ish. And somebody just saw it and were like, I don't know. Just returned it. I really like that. What do you think of that? And then it retracts back. So that's a really nice Waterpik. Because that's what it's about, guys. Take something like this, make a little bit of money. A little bit. Okay, so this one was definitely very interesting to us. However, I did see that it claims that it is a cracked screen, and it is. So, you know, I don't know whether we're going to sell that for parts, you know. We might. It's got, you know, the stuff. It also said it had personal information, but I didn't know how to recover the personal information. Well, to destroy any linked personal information on these. Okay. Like I said, Fitbit, that's the very first Versa that we've gotten. But with a cracked screen. Okay, next I'm going to open this. Now they put these nice allot numbers on here to find out what they are. Which is cool. But ever since I started doing the unboxing videos, I just want to find out. And so do you guys. Okay, so what do we got in here? Something. Okay. So, this is just some busted open makeup. Now, the thing about this that's starting to concern me is there was supposed to be like 4 or 5 airbrush makeup kits. There's definitely no... It says airbrush makeup. I don't know, maybe this isn't a starter kit. But... So, I wanted to show you the shape of some of these. I mean, yeah, I mean, how are we going to sell that? Gross sickles. We have next another set, and I'm pretty sure this is an actual makeup airbrush set this time. But I could be wrong. Okay, so we've got the CD and the book. It's in perfect shape. And then the package. Okay, so there's definitely a crease here. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that there. That crease. Okay. But you know, you open it up and it's immediately the airbrush on top. And it says watch DVD first. And I gotta tell you, man, it kind of looks new. I suppose I need to check the makeup. You know what? I'm going to open this up. This is the first one of these that we've gotten. Well, if you don't count that last thing. Okay, so You get your air pump, essentially. Yes, it is an air pump. Get your power supply. Now the power supply looks like it has been opened in here. And then apparently these makeups are super expensive. So they look in decent shape, I would say. So what did you guys think of that? You know, think of the whole thing. Airbrush. Interesting. Okay, next. What do we got next? We have a Playtex 18-hour 38B bra. And out of respect, I will not be touching this. So yeah, there's the package. I think this is a single, but I'll tell you, the package feels like mostly empty. It's interesting. It's an 18-hour, just in case you need that extra support. You know, I don't blame you.
Click here, click here, because you're awesome.